So instead of wasting all of your money on these whack Black Friday deals, what if you actually were to invest that money on the actual deals that are presented in the stock market? I thought I would change things up on my YouTube channel and talk about 3 oversold stocks that might be on a Black Friday sale. You guys let me know down in the comment section, out of the 3, which one you see the most value in, or if I missed one that you think should be included. Let me know down in the comment section. Let's go ahead and just jump right into it. The first one that I'm going to be talking about is American Airlines. American Airlines tends to have a history of finding a support right around $11 to $12 a share, and it has a common resistance range at around $15 to $17 a share. If, which it doesn't have to, but if it actually does begin to recover based off of previous highs of around $18 to $19, it offers a 50% ROI. Imagine that. Instead of all those Black Friday deals of just wasting your money on things you don't actually need, being able to put that money into an actual asset that could potentially yield you a 53% return. Now, of course, there's no confirmation of this thing actually reversing, so it's still something in my watch list. And out of all the 3 stocks that we're going to talk about, this one's definitely the riskier one, but also offers the greatest form of ROI. Now, let's talk about the next one, Best Buy. The reason I thought it'd be great to talk about Best Buy is because, again, a lot of people focus on buying stuff from Best Buy on Black Friday, but what about the actual stock price itself? The reason I'm talking about this is because Best Buy actually just reported earnings from when I'm filming this video. I actually don't know when I'm gonna upload this video, maybe around Black Friday, but you could see that there was a recent pullback based off of earnings. We saw about a 5% drop at the lowest point, around $63 a share, and it's been recovering since then. If we look at this on the larger time frames, you can see the oversold levels and the overbought levels. And based off of where we're at right now, if Best Buy were to recover to that common resistance range of around $83 a share, that's a 23, almost 24% return. So that means if you had $1,000, you could make roughly around $230. If you had $10,000, then again, that would be roughly around 23, almost $2,400. If you invested $100,000, we're talking about a $23,000 to $24,000 potential ROI if Best Buy recovers. Remember, patterns tend to repeat themselves. They don't always have to, but I think it's very funny because during this holiday, you would think something like Best Buy would be doing extremely well, but the stock price doesn't actually, reflect that. So again, one of my favorite ones, and this one has to be, in my opinion, the safest one out of the 3. It offers also the lowest amount of ROI, but it's because it's so conservative, right? You can see that the overall direction has been extremely bullish for a very long period of time. I mean, we're talking about 2011, 2012, 2013. This thing has been non-stop bullish. So anytime something like Walmart pulls on back because of earnings, right? It kind of catches me off guard because, again, the stock is so bullish that anytime that it pulls on back, it's almost just screaming, buy me, buy me, buy me. I always end up recovering, right? Anytime that it sells off, it tends to recover, sells off, it recovers, sells off, it recovers, sells off, it recovers. So now that it pulled on back from where we're at as of right now, I believe it offers about a 9 to 10% ROI. And remember, this isn't a perfect roll. That doesn't have to continue to offer, or doesn't have to continue to go back to previous highs. But if you believe in Walmart, which, if I'm not mistaken, is one of the most valuable retailers in the entire U.S. and also produces the most revenue from any other U.S.-based company. I think they produce about $600 billion, if I'm not mistaken, in 2022. To me, again, instead of just wasting your money, imagine in the holiday, right? For your loved ones, maybe for your kids, how cool would it be if they don't actually need anything? Maybe, again, I'm just getting too old where I, at least at this time and age, don't necessarily need or want any gifts. If I were to offer someone something like, hey, I bought you $500 or $1,000 worth of Walmart stock, right? It's undervalued. It's expected to go up 9 to 10% based off of previous highs. We're buying it at a good deal. It'd be, I don't know, maybe again, I'm just very biased based off of how invested I am in the overall market. I just thought it would be a unique twist, especially during the Black Friday holiday. But you guys let me know down in the comment section, out of Walmart, Best Buy, and American Airlines, which one of the three meets your criteria and do you see the most value in? And if you feel like I missed one completely, then let me know down in the comment sections. I did want to let you know that for our Black Friday, if you like the way that I break things down, I do trade live every single morning, and we're running a Black Friday sale. We're never going to offer anything bigger than this. It's $200 off. So it's the biggest discount that we will ever offer. It's a one-time payment. And yes, you will be able to watch me trade live every single day. So imagine that. Starting off 2024 and being a part of a group, and again, being able to have access to my live trading sessions every single day. It's not easy. It's definitely going to take time for you to learn and understand what the market has to offer, but that's why we're here every single day. And of course, you also get access to our A to Z video lesson library that's designed for complete beginners, all included in LPP 2.0. So if you want to check it out, again, it's our biggest sale. It's going to be running for 24 to 48 hours during the Black Friday sale, and it's going to be the second link in the description down below. If you have any questions before signing up, shoot me a direct message via Discord or via Instagram. I'd love to answer any questions, especially before you make the purchase for yourself or for someone else, to make sure that our team is a good fit for you. I appreciate your time. Hope that earned a thumbs up. And don't forget, let me know down in the comment sections if I missed out on a specific stock that you think is a great deal right now and you think that I should take a look at it. Share it down in the comment section. I would love to add it to my watch list if I see value in it. Like always, let's make sure that we end the year on a green note. Take care, team.